Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add collections in Shopify. Collections help organize related products into categories, making it easier for customers to browse your store and quickly find what they are looking for. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. This process is beginner-friendly and can be used for categories such as new arrivals, summer clothing, best sellers, accessories, or sale products. So, with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Products. From the drop-down options right under it, click on Collections. This is where you can create new collections and manage the categories already available in your online store. In the top right corner of the screen, click the Add Collection button. Click inside the title box and give your category a clear name. Choose a simple and descriptive title that tells customers exactly what they will find, such as men's jackets, women's shoes, or home office furniture. Right below that, you can use the description box to add a short summary of what is inside this category. A helpful description can introduce the products, explain their main benefits, and include relevant search terms naturally. Keep it clear and customer-focused, rather than adding unnecessary details. Next, look at the Collection Type section. You have two options here, Manual or Smart. The best option depends on the number of products you have and how frequently your inventory changes. If you choose Manual, you will have to hand-pick and add each product to this category yourself. This gives you complete control over which products appear and works well for small, curated collections, seasonal campaigns, or limited-time promotions. If you choose Smart, you can set specific rules, and Shopify will instantly add any matching items for you. This is useful when you want Shopify to organize products automatically based on conditions such as product title, tag, vendor, price, inventory level, or product type. The easiest condition to use is setting the product title to contain a specific word. Shopify will instantly look at your titles and pull in any item that includes that keyword. For example, if the condition uses the word jacket, Shopify can automatically add products such as leather jacket, winter jacket, and denim jacket to the collection. Make sure the keyword is consistently included in the relevant product titles. Otherwise, some products may not be added to the collection. You can also combine multiple conditions when you need more control over which items qualify. This option is incredibly useful if you have a lot of products in your shop, as it saves you from having to manually sort through hundreds of items every time you launch something new. Once the rule is active, qualifying products can be added automatically, helping you keep large collections organized with less ongoing work. Now, look at the right side of the screen and click Add Image to upload a high-quality cover photo that represents this category. Choose a clear image that matches the products inside the collection and looks good across desktop and mobile devices. Avoid adding too much text inside the image, as parts of it may be cropped on smaller screens. Once you are done, look at the top right corner and click Save. After saving, review the collection to make sure the correct products have been included, the description is displayed properly, and the cover image looks professional. You may also need to add the collection to your store's navigation menu so customers can easily access it. You can do this from the Navigation or Menus section of your Shopify admin, depending on the version of the interface you are using. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add collections in Shopify. You can now use manual collections for carefully selected groups of products, or smart collections to automatically organize a larger inventory. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.